Hey everyone, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. स्टॉक मार्केट बेसिक एडवांस लेवल में आपको कोई भी डाउट हो, please go to the playlist and watch all the chapters once again. And still you have doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Now take pen and paper. After every question, you can pause the video and write down the answer. To qualify this level, you need to score 60%. End of the quiz, I have given the formula. Find out how much you scored. If you score less than 60%, make sure to visit playlist and watch again the chapters you have doubt. Okay, let's start now.